Hello everyone. So here is a quick guide how to install Step app. So it's a new app, quite popular. Basically, it's banking for teens, as they describe themselves. So you can get a Visa Step card and then send and receive money instantly, shop online, track your expenses and stuff like that. So yeah, just tap get. Use your Touch ID or Face ID to install, or just use like Apple ID password, and then the app should be installed. So yeah, just wait for a while. So by the way, it's 73 megabytes, so you need to have that free storage on your phone. And there you have it. Then you just tap freeze get started, and you can continue. And there is no possibility to enter like international phone numbers, so I guess it's only US phone numbers at this moment. So yeah, there you have it. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.